Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got Degustabox. This arrived yesterday. I've had no time, so it's just been sat in the hallway. But I'm very excited to open it. I apologise that I look like a trampoline, but I can't help it. Well, I could put makeup on, but that would be effort and I've not got time to do that. So, Degustabox is a monthly subscription box. It is a food snack box. I think it's $12.99 a month. You can get it slightly cheaper, like $11.99 a month if you do like a year subscription or a 6-month subscription. I do have a discount code, which I will put on the screen for you guys. This is not PR, I pay for this myself. Every time someone uses the code, you get 50 points. When you get 100 points, you then get a free box. And if you use the code, I think you get £5 off or something like that. It might have changed recently, I'm not 100% sure. But I'll leave all the links down below for you guys. If you do sign up, you will then get a code that you can then give to other people. And then you can get free boxes. This one is a free one because people use my code, so thank you whoever used my code. I don't know who it is, but yeah, you get lots of gluten-free stuff. You get quite a lot of vegan stuff. There's generally a theme that isn't ever very cohesive. Like, it'll be like barbecue theme and then it'll be like nothing for a barbecue. I don't ever really understand the themes, but they try, bless them. What else? Some things in here, I'll put it on the screen how much the whole box is worth. Some things in here you might be like, oh, I've seen that in Poundland for £1, and in here it says it's $2.99, and that is kind of, I think, from the general where you can get things from, but obviously things are on offer at different supermarkets at different times, so the prices will vary depending on where you are. There's a really big fly. I'm going to stab him with my stabby stabber. Let's just get in. So you get a text to tell you when it's coming, and then it comes by courier with like an hour slot, and it comes like this. This is a really heavy one. Let's have a look. So it is a June picnic box, which is quite ironic because look outside in my house right now. It's just rain. That washing is just soaked. Will not be having any picnics anytime soon. So June picnic box. There's normally something on the back of this that sort of gives you a clue as to what's inside it, but yeah, it says June picnic, and then you usually get some kind of discount codes. If there are any good discount codes, I will just put them on the screen for you guys. But let's just grab things. So the first thing I've got is Hippies. I've had these before. And these are yummy. These are organic chickpea puffs. Take it cheesy. They sound gross, but I promise they're yummy. You get one in the box. These are £1 a bag, which is absolutely ridiculous because it is like, how big is that? It's like a bag of Wotsits kind of size. 22 grams. £1. I'm not paying that for it. Light and crunchy with serious punch of protein and fibre. Hippies organic chickpeas are less than 90 calories, and there's 3 flavours: salt and vinegar, I think chili, and then cheese. So they are yummy, but I would not pay a quid for them, no chance. Next up, I've got Bassett's super fruit jellies. So these are £1. New soft jellies that come in a variety of flavours: papaya, pomegranate, and blueberry and cranberry. Ooh, let's have a little look. Can't open them. Oh, they do not smell nice. I don't like jelly sweets particularly, apart from candy kittens, but what have we got? I don't like texture. It's not a bad flavour. I just didn't like that texture at all. No. Yeah. No. Okay. I think we had a, didn't we have a dressing last month? we have a dressing last one? This is a Newman's Own, and it is Italian dressing. I'm sure we've had one of these recently. I have to have a look on one of my old videos to see if we did. I'm sure we had a dressing from Newman's because they give all their profits to charity. This is £1.65. Yeah, Newman's Own gives all profits after taxes to Newman's Own Foundation. Paul Newman's commitment to donate to such broad profits to broad spectrum organisations dedicated to educational and charitable purposes. Doesn't actually tell me anything about the dressing, but it's an Italian dressing, which is nice to have. Okay, next I've got some drinks. Les Jolis, so Scottish rhubarb and raspberry, and Mexican lime and mint. I like the packaging. I've not heard of these before. These are £1 each. Les Jolis is a great tasting sparkling water infused with natural flavours for a clean and refreshing taste. There's Mexican lime and mint, Sicilian lemon and mandarin, and Scottish raspberry and rhubarb. I am going to crack open a rhubarb one and have a little taste. Go away, fly. It smells really good. There's not a lot of flavour. It smells like it's going to be really, really strong, but it's not at all. That's weird. That's really weird. There's like no flavour in that. That's really strange. It smells like it's going to be amazing, and there's just nothing. I don't hate it, but there's no flavour to it. Weird. Oh, we've got a big bottle of something next. We got some alcohol. Yeah. I think it's alcohol. Blossom Hill Gin Fizz. 8.5%. A bubbly blend of rosé wine, botanically infused water, and a dash of gin. Get in my face. £9 this is worth. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not going to open this now. Serve with a slice of orange. A bubbly blend of wine and botanically infused water with a dash of gin. And there's this one, and there's a green one. I don't know what the other flavour is, but yeah, that's nice, isn't it? I'm happy with that. Blossom Hill Gin Wine. Get in my face. Next up, we've got, ooh, Noisy Bean Chips. This is what was on here. Every pack of noisy snacks is a sensory adventure waiting to happen. So there's roasted broad bean, hot spicy salsa, Jamaican jerky, pickled onion, and peri peri mango. I've got Noisy Snacks. And most snack companies use 4% flavouring. They use 8. Double the fun, double the flavour, double the taste. So these are pulled pork broad beans. Shake it to wake it. Let's have a little go on these. Oh, they smell strong. They look quite good, look. Let's see how noisy they are. It tastes like Prazzles. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, they're good. Mmm. I'll have those whilst we watch telly tonight. Next up, I've got Lizzie's high protein granola and low sugar granola. So we've got high protein granola and low sugar granola. Little packets. 22% of your daily protein and 4% sugar. Oh, excuse me. That was the beer I had before this, not the fizzy water. We know a good breakfast, and that's why you'll find nature's most nutritious ingredients in our cereals, expertly blended for a perfect balance of long-lasting nutrition and fantastic flavour. Our low sugar granola has only 1.9 gram of sugar, and our high protein has 27% of your daily needs, and you get 2. They're 75p for 40 grams, or £3.80 for £3.80 for 350 grams of the high protein pack, or 500 grams of the low sugar pack. So it's quite expensive for cereal. I know granola is typically more expensive. So this has got oats, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, cashew nut pieces, almond pieces, hazelnut pieces, walnut and desiccated coconut. And then this one has oats, protein flakes, soy crispies, oat bran, almonds, walnuts, desiccated coconuts. They both sound really nice, so I would definitely give those a go. I don't think I'd buy them because they sound expensive, but they sound nice to have. I'm going to be happy with this. A Snack Attack Chili Heat Nachos Snack It Kit, Chipotle dip and sour cream. So the Snack Attack, like a Lunchable kind of thing. This is £1.50. Meet the newest member of the nacho range, Chili Heat Nachos. Each kit contains chili heat wave tortilla chips, a smoky chipotle dip, and cooling sour cream and chive sauce. Top 'em, dip 'em, snack 'em. So you get nachos around here, and then you get, I don't know where the sour cream is, but the chipotle sauce is here. So Ben will be happy with that because he loves stuff. I don't like chipotle, but he'll like that. That's another thing he'll be happy with. Some olives. So these are Ollie's olives, garlic and basil. I've had these through Muscle Food before, and he's tried them as well, and he likes them. Olive the Dream, the finest Greek halkidiki olives dressed in a mouth-watering basil and garlic marinade. Our pouch contains no messy oils, no stones, and no artificials whatsoever. 75 calories per pouch. They're a perfect healthy snack. I didn't know there were that little calories for olives. Maybe I'll start trying again. 75 calories. It feels like there's quite a lot in there. Like, it feels like that'd be quite a good snack. I just don't like them. I wish I did. I'll give these ones another go when he opens them. I'll try them and see what I think. But yeah, that's nice. Next, I've got Gregory's Tree Double Fruit Twists. 100% free from gluten, GM, sulfite, wheat, peanut and dairy. What are these? One of your 5 a day? Gregory's Tree. At Gregory's Tree, we want to give an extraordinary new twist to snacking. Our blueberry and raspberry and strawberry fruit twists and no added sugar. Ooh. And kids will like these. I'll let them try them tomorrow. Like just a fruity, they feel inside like they're going to be like the bear things that kids have. Like the fruit roll-up things, Rolo. I don't know what they're called. The little bear things, yo-yos. That's nice. Next up, a Baru. I got excited and then saw what flavour it was. Baru marshmallow chocolate bar. Gourmet vanilla bean marshmallow with chai latte topping and smothered in milk chocolate, made with bourbon, vanilla bean, real spices and honey. It's a marshmallow bar. £1.69 for this. Tiny. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So that's what it looks like. Break it open and see what it's like in the middle. So it's marshmallow, and then I don't know what a chai latte is, but it smells quite good. It's just marshmallow and chocolate, really. There is no way on this earth I would pay £1.69 for that, but it's alright. I'll leave that for Ben though, so he can have the other half. Don't hate it, but wouldn't pay for it. And then the last things I've got is some seed bars. These are salted caramel seed bar and a cocoa orange seed bar. These sound really nice. 9 seed bar is what they're called. I've never heard of these must be new. With 9, taste and nutrition go hand in hand. You get super seeds of sunflower, pumpkin and sesame. Proudly vegan, gluten-free and wheat-free and 100% plant protein. Which one should I try? I'm going to try the cocoa orange seed bar. So it's this one. Ooh, it looks good. Ooh, it smells good. Look at that. Look at all those seeds. That looks really good. That is so good. It's £1.29, which is expensive, but it's seeds, so this would fill you up if you wanted like a nice snack. How many calories is it? Where's the calories? So 213 calories per bar, so it's quite filling, quite a lot, like dense in calories, but that is yummy. I think if these were on offer, I would buy them. Because that is gorgeous. That is really nice. That is way better than that. Oh my god, this fly. It's got a death wish. Okay. Not a bad box. I put on screen how much it's worth. The fruit, the jelly sweets, I don't like jelly sweets, so, well, I do like jelly sweets, but not that texture, but they taste, the flavour was nice. This is alright. It just doesn't really, it smells like it's going to be really good, but it literally tastes of nothing. Yeah, literally tastes of nothing, and it's not very fizzy. Hell yeah, excited about that. I'll write down below what this is like, or write on the screen if we try it at some point before I upload this video. But yeah, overall happy. I will see if I can find, I'm sure we've had one of these recently. I've got one in my fridge and I wouldn't buy one because they're expensive. If I can find the video that I got one of these in, I'll link it up there. But yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for I'm tired. But yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all really, really soon. Bye guys.